Hi everyone, I'm Steve Mathis, Senior Product Manager for Installed Loudspeakers at Harman Professional. I'm so glad you could join us for this first look at the newest addition to our JBL Control 400 series ceiling loudspeakers, the Control 400 Standard Coverage Series and Control 400 Premium Coverage Series. Let's take a tour of the complete JBL Control 400 series to learn about the commonalities shared between each series as well as the features that set them apart.
The JBL Control 400 ceiling speaker family represents the next generation of excellence from the most trusted name in loudspeakers. Building on the legacy of the iconic JBL Control 10, 20, and 40 ceiling speaker families, the Control 400 Standard Coverage Series, Enhanced Coverage Series, and Premium Coverage Series provide three distinct levels of coverage, performance, and price while sharing many core features. All Control 400 series ceiling speakers can be depended upon to deliver best-in-class sonic performance, elegant design, extreme reliability, and installer-focused features to enhance corporate spaces, hospitality venues, or anywhere in between. JBL Control 400 Standard Coverage Series ceiling speakers are designed to provide high-performance audio at affordable price points. There are 9 models in the series with driver options that range from 3-inch to 8-inch. With 2 low-profile micro models and multiple EN54 certified variants, the series has options for nearly any application. JBL Control 400 Standard Coverage Series speakers are ideal for cafes, corporate offices, cruise ships, retail spaces, or any other setting where a high-performance, modern ceiling speaker is desired. JBL Control 400 Enhanced Coverage Series ceiling speakers strike an elegant performance to cost balance between the standard coverage and premium coverage models. Featuring JBL's proprietary coplanar radiation boundary integrator, or CRBI technology, enhanced coverage speakers provide an exceptionally smooth sound character that remains consistent, clear, and pleasant across a wide coverage area. There are 6 models in the Control 400 Enhanced Coverage Series to facilitate the design of high-quality audio experiences in a wide range of environments and applications. The core models are the Control 426 CT and the Control 424 CT, two-way coaxial ceiling speakers with 6.5-inch and 4-inch woofers, respectively. For applications where ceiling plenum space is limited, low-profile versions of those models, the Control 426 LP and Control 424 LP, are available. The Control 426 CT LS has been certified to the UL 1480 standard, expanding application possibilities into life safety designs. Finally, the Control 419 CST is a high-power, low-distortion, 8-inch in-ceiling subwoofer that augments any design that requires extended low-end performance. The JBL Control 400 Enhanced Coverage Series is ideal for retail stores, corporate offices, education spaces, transit spaces, and any other application where a ceiling speaker with powerful performance and a refined look is desired. JBL Control 400 Premium Coverage Series ceiling speakers provide the utmost coverage consistency for installations where audio quality and clarity are paramount. Featuring JBL's proprietary radiation boundary integrator, or RBI technology, the Premium Coverage Series achieves constant directivity coverage, ensuring that listeners can enjoy an especially smooth sound character that remains extremely consistent, clear, and pleasant across a wide coverage area. With 5 models featuring driver options that range from 2.5-inch to 6.5-inch, including a low-profile model and a narrow coverage speaker for applications with high ceilings, plus an 8-inch subwoofer, the series has options for nearly any application. Ideal for executive boardrooms, museums, resorts, luxury venues, and similar environments. The Control 400 Premium Coverage Series redefines premium in-ceiling audio and elevates the listening space with transformative clarity, constant directivity coverage, and unrivaled performance. All Control 400 series models are designed to blend seamlessly into modern interiors. The included full-face magnetic grille is paintable for integration into any decor, while black, white, round, and square grills provide additional customization. Every model includes thoughtfully engineered mounting features to enhance safety, efficiency, and repeatability. Terminal covers allow for convenient top or side cable entry, and the reliable captive dog ear design accommodates a variety of ceiling thicknesses, ensuring versatility for any environment. Most models include transformers to support both 70-volt, 100-volt, and low-impedance applications. With 3 distinct levels of coverage, performance, and price to choose from, the JBL Control 400 standard coverage, enhanced coverage, and premium coverage series ceiling speakers combine to create a comprehensive family of ceiling speakers with options for every application. No matter which series you choose for your application, the core features of the Control 400 family, including best-in-class sonic performance, elegant design, extreme reliability, and installer-focused features, are ingrained in every model.
That's the first look at the complete JBL Control 400 series ceiling loudspeakers with best-in-class sonic performance, elegant design, extreme reliability, and installer-focused features in every model. We think these speakers will elevate the audio experience in any application. And with 3 distinct levels of coverage, performance, and price, you're provided a more comprehensive range of options than ever before. We can't wait for you to experience these speakers yourself. If you'll be attending the Integrate Expo in Sydney, Australia, we'll be there demonstrating these speakers for the first time. We appreciate you taking the time with us today. For more information, check us out at any time at jblpro.com. Have a great day.